Hello everyone and welcome to this video where today we'll be talking about the future of blockchain. Okay? So now we know that blockchain has the ability to empower innovation and transform industries. Now we'll go ahead and talk about the first introduction for the future of blockchain. Blockchain technology has already made significant strides in revolutionizing industries and its potential for the future is vast. We look ahead, it becomes As we look ahead, it becomes increasingly clear that blockchain has the power to reshape systems, enhance trust, and drive innovation. As we look ahead, it becomes increasingly clear that blockchain has the power to reshape systems, enhance trust, and drive innovation across various sectors. This essay explores the promising future of blockchain, highlighting its potential applications, challenges, and the transformative impact it can have on our society. All right. Now, number one that we'll learn about the future is basically the enhanced scalability and interoperability. One of the key areas of focus for blockchain's future development is scalability. As blockchain networks grow, the need for improved scalability becomes evident. Innovative solutions such as sharding, off-chain transactions, and layer 2 protocols aim to address this challenge, enabling blockchain networks to handle a significantly higher number of transactions per second. Moreover, efforts are being made to enhance interoperability between different blockchain platforms, allowing seamless connection of data and exchange between disparate networks. Number two, mainstream adoption and industry integration. In the future, you can expect to witness increased mainstream adoption of Bitcoin technology across industries. Sectors such as finance, supply chain, healthcare, and governance are likely to integrate blockchain into their operations to improve efficiency, transparency, and security. Blockchain's decentralized nature and ability to streamline complex processes will empower businesses to optimize operations, reduce costs, and enhance trust among stakeholders. Furthermore, as blockchain frameworks evolve and become more user-friendly, individuals will have easier access to blockchain-based applications and services. Number three, decentralized finance, DeFi, and digital assets. Decentralized finance or DeFi has gained significant traction, showcasing the transformative potential of blockchain in the financial sector. In the future, DeFi is expected to flourish, offering a range of financial services such as lending, borrowing, decentralized exchanges, stable coin ecosystems. Blockchain's programmable smart contracts enable the automation of financial agreements, eliminating agreements between banks and also intermediaries and reducing costs. Additionally, the tokenization of assets, including real estate, art, and intellectual property, will democratize investment opportunities, increasing fluidity and facilitate fractional ownership. Next, we have supply chain management and traceability. Blockchain holds immense potential in improving supply chain management by providing transparency, traceability, and efficiency. In the future, we can anticipate wider adoption of blockchain in supply chains, enabling stakeholders to track the movement of goods, verify product authenticity, and ensure compliance with regulations. Smart contracts and IoT integration will automate processes such as inventory management, quality control, and payments, reducing errors, frauds, and delays. By enhancing supply chain visibility, blockchain will eliminate ethical sourcing, fair trade, and sustainable practices. Okay, next we have data privacy and identity management. With growing concerns about data privacy, blockchain offers a promising solution by enabling individuals who have more control over their personal data. In the future, we can envision blockchain based identity, identity management systems that allow users to manage their digital identities securely. Users can selectively grant access to their data, reducing reliance on centralized entities and minimizing the risk of data breaches and identity theft. Furthermore, blockchain's immutability ensures data integrity, enhancing trust in digital interactions and enabling secure sharing of sensitive information. Okay, next we need to know about the challenges and consideration that the future of Bitcoin will face. While the future of Bitcoin appears promising, there are challenges that need to be addressed for its widespread adoption. Scalability, energy consumption, regulatory frameworks, and interoperability between different blockchain networks are areas that require ongoing research and development. Additionally, ensuring proper governance, addressing security concerns, and educating users about the benefits and risks of blockchain technology are essential for its successful implementation. Now, what will happen to the coming future of blockchain advancements? In the coming future, blockchain technology is poised to undergo significant advances and transformations. Here are some key developments to consider. Number 1. Enhanced scalability and performance. Efforts are underway to address the scalability limitations of blockchain networks. Solutions such as sharding, state channels, and layer 2 protocols like Lightning Network are being researched and implemented to increase transaction throughout and reduce latency. These developments will be made and enable blockchain networks to handle higher volume of transactions, making them more sustainable to mainstream adoption and demanding use cases. Next, we have the integration with emerging technologies. Blockchain will intersect with other emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence, AI, Internet of Things, IoT, and edge computing. The integration of blockchain with AI can enable secure and transparent data sharing, enhance AI models' trustworthiness, and ensure privacy-preserving machine learning. IoT can leverage blockchain for secure data exchange, device identity verification, and decentralized management of device networks. Edge computing combined with blockchain can enable real-time transaction processing and enhance the speed and efficiency of blockchain networks. Number 3. Government and institutional adoption. Governments and institutions worldwide are recognizing the potential of blockchain technology. You can expect increased adoption and implementation of blockchain-based solutions. In such areas such as voting systems, land registries, identity management, and supply chain transparency. Blockchain's tamper-proof nature, transparency, and decentralized consensus make it an attractive option for enhancing trust, reducing corruption, and improving public services. In number 4, we have central bank digital currencies or CBDCs. Okay? So, central banks are exploring the concept of issuing their own digital currencies using blockchain technology. Central bank digital currencies have the potential to transform traditional financial systems by offering faster, more efficient, and cost-effective transactions. CBDCs can improve financial inclusion, enable programmable money, and facilitate cross-border transactions. The development and implementation of CBDCs will likely shape the future landscape of digital payments and redefine the relationship between government, central banks, and also individuals. Then, after that, we have number 5, which is privacy-focused blockchain solutions. Privacy and data protection are crucial concerns in the digital age. As blockchain evolves, there will be a focus on enhancing privacy features while maintaining the transparency and integrity of blockchain. Innovations such as zero-knowledge proofs, homomorphic encryption, and privacy-focused blockchains will enable secure and confidential transactions, ensuring that sensitive data remains protected. Number 6. Environmental sustainability. The environmental impact of blockchain, particularly energy consumption in proof of work consensus algorithms, has been a very highly topic of concern. In the future, there will be increased emphasis on developing and adopting more efficient energy consensus mechanisms. Transitioning from proof of work to proof of stake or other consensus algorithms that consume less energy will reduce the carbon footprint of blockchain networks. Okay? And then in number 7, we have interoperability and cross-chain communication. Interoperability between different blockchain networks will become increasingly important to facilitate seamless communication and data transfer. Standards and protocols will be developed to enable interoperability, allowing assets and data to move fluidly between different blockchains. Cross-chain communications will unlock new possibilities for decentralized applications, asset transfers, and collaboration across multiple blockchain ecosystems. In conclusion, the future of blockchain is filled with immense potential. As scalability improves, blockchain integrates the emerging technologies, and governments and institutions embrace its transformative power. We can anticipate blockchain becoming a fundamental building block in our digital infrastructure, enhanced privacy features, the development of CBDCs, and increased interoperability will further drive adoption and innovation. With ongoing research and development and collaboration, blockchain technology will continue to evolve, empowering individuals, organizations, and governments to create a more transparent and secure, efficient system in years to come. That is all for this video, and thank you for watching.